In the vibrant world of 21st century business, data visualization is the compass guiding decision-making. It delivers a clear picture, helping businesses navigate the ocean of information that is the modern marketplace. And in the energy sector, with its constant evolution and high stakes, effective data visualization is an absolute necessity. Consider the story of Mosin's solar panel company, a leading firm in the USA with a robust team of over 200 professionals. They had set up customer relationship management systems, or CRMs, to track their leads. However, they faced a challenge. They wanted to visualize these leads using Microsoft's PowerBI tool. But the journey from raw CRM data to insightful PowerBI visualizations was fraught with technical hurdles. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. Enter the Blackcoffer team. As a global IT consulting firm, our task was to bridge the gap between Mosin's CRMs and Power BI. The solution was far from straightforward. Fetching data directly into Power BI using an API key proved challenging. Moreover, the data obtained was unclean and incomplete. That's when we turned to Zapier, an online automation tool. Zapier fetched new leads from the CRMs, but it had a limitation. It couldn't fetch historical data. So we manually downloaded the historical data from the CRMs and added it to a spreadsheet. We then set up Zaps for every instance of a new lead, ensuring that the spreadsheet remained up to date. The spreadsheet was then connected to Power BI. The data was cleaned and subsequently used to build key performance indicators, or KPIs, tailored to the client's needs. The entire process involved a range of tools and languages, including APIs, Zapier, spreadsheets, Power BI, M-language, and DAX. The result? Mosin's solar panel company now has a clear visual representation of its leads, right at its fingertips. This empowers them to make informed, strategic decisions, boosting their business performance. In summary, this project demonstrated the sheer transformative power of effective data visualization. It highlighted the role of innovative problem-solving in overcoming technical challenges. And most importantly, it underscored the critical importance of data in decision-making for businesses, particularly in the ever-evolving energy sector. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential. This solution was developed by the Blackcoffer team. For more information, visit www.blackcoffer.com or email aj@blackcoffer.com. Blackcoffer PVT, Limited, turning data into decisions.